Welcome to the animal land. Time for some learning. Let's learn animal sounds. Here is a pig. A pig says oink, oink. A goat says meh, meh. A camel says bleat, bleat. So let's do it again. A pig says oink, oink. A goat says meh, meh. A camel says bleat, bleat. So what does the pig say? Does it meh, meh?
No.
Does it go bleat, bleat?
No.
Does it oink, oink?
Yes.
For your favorite rhymes, stories and more, join Kids Hut family. Subscribe here.